Hello and welcome everyone to our forecast of Microsoft's stock prices at the end of their fiscal year in June 2023. In a previous presentation, we forecasted Microsoft's net income for 2023. In this presentation, we will use that net income to forecast Microsoft's 2023 stock price. Here's a simple, generally accepted model for using net income to estimate a stock price. First, we start with net income. Second, we then divide the net income by the number of estimated outstanding shares to arrive at an estimated earnings per share. Third, we then multiply the earnings per share by a price to earnings ratio or valuation multiple to estimate the company's stock price. We took this generally accepted model and presented on the left in short form with abbreviations for earnings per share and price to earnings ratio. So first we start with the 2023 net income we previously discussed of $86 billion. Second, we then estimate the number of shares of outstanding stock as of 2023. We did this by reducing the number of shares in 2022 by the change in total shares between 2021 and 2022 to arrive at an estimated number of shares of 7.5 billion in 2023. We've assumed that the number of shares will drop by the same amount that occurred in 2021 and 2022 based on the fact that Microsoft is expected to continue to repurchase shares in 2023 at rates that are similar to rates that occurred in 2022. Third, the earnings per share is then simple arithmetic where net income of $86 billion is divided by 7.5 billion in outstanding shares to arrive at an estimated earnings per share of $11.49. Fourth, we estimated a price to earnings ratio as of 2023. We've assumed that Microsoft's 2023 PE ratio, or price to earnings ratio, will be equivalent to its PE ratio as of September 2022 when this presentation was prepared. We've estimated Microsoft's PE ratio using the September 2022 as a benchmark because it reflects the market's most current understanding of future macro market economic conditions like inflation and consumer spending, as well as the market's expectation of Microsoft's future growth. This estimated PE ratio is consistent with PE ratios of other large tech companies like Apple and Google. Finally, we simply multiplied the earnings per share by the PE ratio to arrive at $291 per share as of June 2023. So there you have it. We've now explained how we forecasted our estimate of Microsoft's 2023 stock price. So our recommendation is to buy Microsoft stock and enjoy the potential of the stock rising to $291 per share in 2023. Thank you, and please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Please also pause this presentation and review this disclaimer before you acquire any stock.